Let's face it, when it comes to cooking at home, the thought alone makes us sigh and have already instinctively putting the pizza guy on speed dial. Either that, or if there is somebody that lives with us, we kind of maybe hope that they might cook dinner because they either know how to do it, or maybe just out of laziness, we hope that they would take over the duties and not yourself. But thanks to the popularization of at-home meal services, cooking is honestly both fun and a breeze, without hopefully all of the messy cleanup, but most importantly, no hassle and no fuss. Which is why today we're going to be checking out the top 3 most popular meal services that will give you the best food choices and make cooking a breeze. Beginning our list with the most popular at-home meal services, we have Home Chef. Home Chef has set itself up to be the best meal kit service for tailoring recipes to your preferences, diets, and lifestyles. This means that even the pickiest of eaters can swap out a type of meal for another, change the serving size or portion size of a certain food, or even just skip a meal delivery easily if your schedule changes. Home Chef is a subscription service, by the way, meaning that you do need to sign up via the website and choose how often you'd like meals to be delivered, as well as how many you'll be cooking for, 2, 4, or 6 people. Like I said, is that you can have the availability to choose your own meals each and every week, or if you're feeling lucky, then you can let Home Chef pick a selection for you. How it works is that meals are delivered once a week in neatly packaged cooler boxes, with each ingredient pre-portioned and ready to go. What is super cool with Home Chef is that each meal comes with a recipe card with helpful information, including nutrition by the numbers, spice level, and cooking times, so that way you know how long each meal is going to take. Of course, these are just some general guidelines, so if you want to add more salt or maybe no peppers, then have at it. But the big question is, what are the meals really like? How hard or maybe how easy are they to do? Well, Home Chef meals are largely easy to prepare and really don't require a ton of technical skill. You can make some meals in as little as 10 to 15 minutes, with some more extensive meal plans taking up to 45 minutes or an hour. Now, one thing to note here though is that a lot of it will depend upon your own personal skills and speeds, but don't worry, it's all still super easy and simple to follow thanks to their detailed instructional guides. And something that I personally enjoy with Home Chef is that you're not going to see a ton of unfamiliar flavors either, with a lot of classic dinner recipes being included, like baked chicken or pork tenderloin with veggies, pasta dishes, teriyaki steak and peppers over rice, or even chicken tacos. And that's not to say that you're not going to find some more creative menu items like the butternut chowder or prosciutto and shrimp risotto. Also, today's sponsor is Total AV. Total AV is consistently the top choice to protect all your household devices, computers, laptops, and smartphones from any viruses, malware, and hackers. You can check the description for a full review, along with an exclusive 80% discount if you're interested. Next up on our pick for the top 3 most popular meal services, we have Purple Carrot. Now, if you're somebody that is looking to find a meal service that is geared more towards a vegan diet, or maybe if you're looking for something with less carbs and other types of heavy foods, then you might want to check out Purple Carrot. Purple Carrot is that same vein as Home Chef in delivering meal plans right to your door, but every meal that you get in their packaging is actually a plant-based vegan meal, instead of what you would normally find with Home Chef that involves more stuff like chicken and beef-oriented meals. Now, there's also 2 types of plans that you get with Purple Carrot, letting you choose between either a 2-serving meal plan or 6-serving meal plan. The 2-serving plan lets you choose 3 meals a week with 2 servings each, or there's a 6-serving plan that sends you 2 meals a week with 6 servings each. And if at any point that you do want to switch from a 2-serving plan to a 6-serving plan, or vice versa, you can do it with ease. Or maybe you just want to take a break from Purple Carrot. You can totally hit pause on your orders for a month, or even cancel your order entirely if it's just not working out for you in the way you thought it would. As for payment, it's based on a per week plan, so that way you don't have to pay for anything that you don't want to receive. And if you're wondering how much food you're going to get per serving, then buckle up because it's definitely going to fill you up. While most healthy or vegan style plans might only have a small portion that won't get you full, Purple Carrot serving sizes, depending on your dietary needs, can make most 2-serving meals last for 3 servings, sometimes with the help of rice, tofu, arugula, or other groceries that you've got on hand. And just like with other meal services, each box comes with a fancy booklet including pictures, step-by-step cooking instructions, and lists of the ingredients that you should receive. That way, you won't have to fumble around in trying to eyeball or guess what you're supposed to do with these carrots and lettuce, but instead, you'll get super easy to follow instructions that will help guide you through to a meal that even Gordon Ramsay would be proud of. Last and most certainly not least, we have Freshly. Now, it's one thing to have your meals semi-prepped, with only you needing to put in a little bit of elbow grease to cut that chicken or peel those potatoes. But what if I told you that you can actually have your meals totally prepped and ready to eat right out of the box? Well, that is exactly what you're going to get with Freshly. Freshly is one of the most popular of the prepared meal subscription services, and it's kind of not hard to see why. Freshly meals are different from other meal kits in that lunches and dinners are completely prepared in fully cooked in interval packaging that you can just simply heat and serve. There's no prepping, chopping, mixing, or measuring involved. So much for needing to get that pizza delivery guy on speed dial now, eh? And the meals that you get are by no means your typical microwave pasta that you would grab at the grocery store or the dollar store. No. In fact, there's actually healthy meals that are super good in both taste and presentation. There is everything you can imagine, from teriyaki chicken to fried rice and even steak and potatoes. Through the website, you can choose a meal plan subscription that includes as few as 4 or as many as 12 meals per week. Freshly has plenty of healthy meal choices good for lunch or dinner, and options for folks with dietary restrictions, including gluten-free, keto, or low carb and low calorie. So, no matter if you're on a diet or you just want to try to eat healthier, Freshly's got you covered in getting your meals done the right way each and every time. So, there you have it, folks. Those are our top 3 picks for the most popular at-home meal services that you can get sent right to your door. Which one do you want to go out and have a more kickstart way to get perfect and healthy meals? Are there any meal delivery services that we missed that you think should have been on our list? Let us know in the comments section down below, and if you did enjoy this video, then please give us a big thumbs up if you like what we do. Plus, subscribe to the channel for more amazing reviews and content just like this. Not to mention that if you do want to grab yourself any of the products that we covered in today's video, then you can check them out in the description below if you want to pick them up. Not only that, but if you want to check out more amazing product reviews by us, then go ahead and click on one of these videos here to be able to learn more.